reach out to us, and his car died when he was on the road. And so we came over to his house, personal visit, right? We're gonna fix his car for him for free. He has a 2005 Dodge Durango, okay? So we're gonna do a speedy alternator change. I'm gonna show you the fastest way possible. It's gonna be quick and painless. Here's the tools you're gonna need. Okay, we got first off various sizes of Phillips or flatheads. Sorry about that, that's not Phillips. Flatheads, boom, boom, boom. We got a pry bar. This is what we're gonna use for a pry bar with a 3/8 attachment. That's gonna be used to pry the belt tensioner. And we got a deep size 12 millimeter, and then 13 millimeter right here, boom. Also, handy dandy crowbar, son, because we're getting real with this. We might just have to beat them out of this car. You know what I mean? Step right over here. You're gonna take off the positive side of the battery. Don't arc these two like a fool, okay? Take this bad boy right off. Boom. Took it somewhere not touching. Now you're good. Bring in the crowbar, and now you're popping caps. We got a lot on here, okay? All these caps, gone. Take your flats. Take this freaking hose off the way. You don't. That's gonna just interrupt your view here. And you're gonna take this bolt off, this bolt off.
Damn it! I don't know why I laughed.
Get in there, pop it in. What's up, guys? So we're gonna do this. We head on over here to the alternator. We're gonna unplug this now that we uncovered it. That's gonna be your size 13. Let's get this out of here. We don't want this. This is just a press the button. It's like a clip. Get that out of the way. Taking this guy off. Don't lose any bolts on here, although it's a car, so you're probably gonna do it. Okay, cautious. Side. Maybe put that bolt back on there, that way you know where it goes. Okay, now you're going to want to take off that belt. So you're going to get your handy dandy pry bar, and you're going to locate this. Let me get my finger in here. See this third? It's going to go in there, that little square. The third one. And you're going to use that to pry the pry bar loose and take the belt off. The belt, and I'll be able to slide it off just like so. Okay, there. Now that that's off, take this out. You won't need it for now. Down here, sick. So check this out. This bracket you're going to have to take off. There's 4 bolts. 1, 2. Down here's 3. And over here's 4. Right here. Take all 4 of those off. This bracket will come off. And don't worry, that won't mess up anything because this is still attached with a secondary bolt. And then you got to take off this secondary bigger bolt, size 15 also. And then you're going to come over here and take off this. Get that light out of the way. This size 15 bolt. Pan back one. There's your alternator. Boom. Let's start getting into that. Let's take off the bracket one first. So, guys, now you got 2 bolts left. You're gonna take the bolt.
Never knocked on nobody. Never.
So I'm gonna take this bolt off right here. We got Dom Toretto over here. And then you're gonna go over here and take this bolt off. Go ahead and video it. That bolt. Just those 2 bolts holding this bad boy in. So take them off. Oh, God. They're gonna be on there, man. Because they've been here. Let that right out. Oh yeah. Just like that. There you go. Put that to the side. So now this is finger loose. Take that bad boy. Get it out of there. There's your pain in the bolt, right? Take out your alternator.
There you go.
Okay. Get a load of that. Still not. Oh yeah! You wanna play daddy? Got it. Easy money. Easiest thing I've ever done. So, now that you done got your new one, right? Check this out. Is that still good? Check this out. Here's a new one. These guys are kind of heavy, dude. Here's the new one. This guy actually works. Here's your old piece of junk that you're gonna throw to the nearest whatever. Let's put it in the new one, okay? Let's go. It's already in. Just consider it in already, man. Let me get this nuts out here. Where's my nuts? Well, here's a video of me grabbing my nuts. Oh, that's a sketchy nut. Oh, the birds. Anyways, now that you got the new one, you can slide it right in, right? We got the other far side in right now. We're just gonna slide this in. It should pivot right there, obviously. And then what you're gonna wanna do is just reverse this whole process. And we'll show you it in fast forward because we're dope like that. And then this, obviously the belt's gonna be a bit challenging. Just re-loosen the tensioner, put it around here, and make sure it's around all the other lines it's supposed to be on, and you're good. Peep this vid, son. And then don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned because we do raffles and like giveaways and all this cool stuff. So just stick around on the channel and explore because you're watching RKE. Switch to time lapse. Let loose. Tight as up. Whatever you want to be tight, man. Done. Sick. Right on. Now we're gonna work backwards. Put everything together. Not short this out. Boom, boom, boom. You know we're gonna turn it on, whatever. Kick out.